Are you drowning in debt and feeling like you'll never get ahead? You're not alone. Over 70% of young Americans carry some form of debt. But what if I told you there's a proven way to pay off debt faster while still building wealth? Stick around because today I'm breaking down expert strategies to crush your debts and take control of your finances for good. Hey there. Welcome back to Smart Money Moves, your go-to channel for financial freedom and building a wealthy lifestyle. If you're tired of debt holding you back, this video is for you. We'll cover two powerful debt repayment strategies, the Snowball Method and the Avalanche Method. Plus, I'll share some pro tips to speed up your journey to zero debt. But that's not all. I've also got a free gift for you, a powerful ebook titled Zero to Wealth, How to Start from Scratch and Build Your Fortune. Same book I'm selling in Amazon for $10. Now this book is free for my YouTube channel subscribers. And viewers, please collect the password from the video. It's packed with actionable steps to help you go from struggling with money to building your financial empire. And here's the twist. I'll reveal the password to download it for free in parts throughout this video. So let's dive in and stay tuned. Point 1. The Snowball Method. The first strategy to tackle debt is the Snowball Method. It's simple and perfect if you need quick wins to stay motivated. Here's how it works. Number 1. List all your debts from smallest to largest, ignoring the interest rates for now. Number 2. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the rest. Number 3. Once that's gone, roll that payment into the next smallest debt, creating a snowball effect. Why does it work? The psychological boost of seeing debts disappear keeps you motivated. For example, let's say you have 3 debts, $500, $1,000, and $5,000. Paying off that $500 debt quickly gives you momentum to tackle the next. Oh, and speaking of momentum, the first digit of the ebook password is 4. Write it down. And let's keep going. Point 2. The Avalanche Method now. If you're all about saving money on interest, the Avalanche Method is for you. Here's the process. Number 1. List all your debts, but this time, prioritize them by interest rate, from highest to lowest. Number 2. Attack the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on the others. Number 3. Once the highest interest debt is gone, move on to the next one. This method minimizes the total amount of interest you'll pay over time. For instance, if you've got a credit card with a 20% interest rate and a student loan at 5%, you'll save a ton by tackling that high-interest credit card first. And now, here's the second digit of the password, 5. Let's keep building that momentum. Point 3. Boost your repayments with side hustles. Want to supercharge either of these methods? Increase your income. Side hustles like freelancing, selling unused items, or driving for delivery services can add hundreds or even thousands of dollars to your monthly income. Use every extra dollar to crush your debt faster. Let's say you earn an extra $500 a month. If you apply that to your debt using the Avalanche Method, you could save years on repayment and thousands in interest. Ready for the next digit? It's 1. Don't lose track. This ebook is worth it. Point 4. Automate and track your progress. Here's an advanced tip. Automate your debt payments. Set up autopay for minimum payments and schedule extra payments to go toward your priority debt. Automation helps you stay consistent and avoid late fees. And don't forget to track your progress. Apps like Mint or YNAB can show how close you are to achieving your goal. Watching those balances shrink can be incredibly motivating. Here's the final digit of the password, 2. You've got the full code now, 4512. Let's recap. Today, we covered 2 powerful strategies to pay off debt faster. The Snowball Method for quick wins, the Avalanche Method to save on interest. We also talked about boosting your income and automating payments to stay consistent. Debt doesn't have to control your life. Start today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can turn things around. Don't forget to download your free copy of Zero to Wealth, How to Start from Scratch and Build Your Fortune using the password 4512. This ebook is packed with tips to help you not only eliminate debt, but also build wealth and live the life you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's ready to tackle their debt, and subscribe to Smart Money Moves for more expert tips on creating financial freedom. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Take action today, and I'll see you in the next video.